want to big up a councillor, you see? But is it a councillor? If we call him name, we're not going to know who. So we have to big up councillor Big House from out of Rockabessa. Councillor Big House, big up yourself. So comrades, we are get down in it, you know. It's time for your government come talk to you. It's time for your government come talk. But comrades, I want to just remember one thing, you know. I want to remember one thing. It's love we are deal with, you know. It's love we are deal with. And you see, even when them say some things about the comrade leader, you see, even when them say some things about with General Secretary, we know say what your love we are deal with, you know. And you see the love we are deal with. On September 3, when you go to vote for Comrade Omar Woodine, make sure say you carry 10 of your friend them with you. And them 10 of your friend them, you tell them they carry 10 of them friend. So when the day is over and the ballots are counted, Comrade Omar Woodine will be the next member of parliament for Western St. Mary, so you can have real leadership and real representation. Make Comrade Omar Woodine welcome.
One Arville Woodine, never two. You're dead.
Comrades. Comrade Chairman. Comrade Floyd Morris. Next was the Minister. Comrade Chris Brown. Next MP for Southeast. Big up yourself. My brother Newell. Big up yourself. Sir Mayor, partner in crime. Western St. Mary will be fine. Big up yourself. Comrade Young Golden, welcome to Western St. Mary. Comrade Morris Guy, respect you. It's a pleasure to have you, sir. Comrade Guy has been a mentor to us, and he would have given Western St. Mary and our St. Mary his full support. And comrade, we really appreciate this, sir. Love and respect, boss. Comrade, our next Prime Minister for Jamaica, Comrade Mark G. Welcome to St. Mary. Love and respect, sir. Cancerian, I'm a Cancerian brother. Both of us are Cancerian, so I know him. And he knows me. Comrade of Western St. Mary, are you here? Southeast St. Mary, you there? The Garrison, Central St. Mary, are you here? Big up, comrades. Comrades, the campaign would have gone full circle. And now we are back right where we started. And within 10 days, we have an election. Comrade, it's serious time. Comrade, this morning a man called me on message and said, Woodbine, I've never seen you smile on stage. Yeah, we see you smile tonight. I said, brother, I don't run joke with PNP business. Things so serious, we get up and smile and laugh. After the victory, you will see a smile and a laughter. But when I run joke with PNP business, too long we have been suffering under the JLP, especially in Western St. Mary. We have a member of parliament over there, 40 years in representation of politics. 40 years he has been out of us boss, a man having foot in our neck. We can't breathe in Western St. Mary. And I'm saying to you this time, Friday gone, I'm officially a candidate. Montague must go this time around. Montague is now, they are driving around promising and buying out voters, buying out indoor agents, buying out workers. I'm saying to you, PNP, get serious about this election. No buying out this time around. They are trying to infiltrate our workers, trying to get to our indoor agents to compromise them. Workers, get serious. Don't sell your soul to the JLP party. We have suffered too long. We have suffered too long. And the ball is in our court to win this election. We can't make because of 20,000 and 5,000, you sell me out. We can't manage one more term under the JLP party. Under the PNP party. Under our new regime. Development will be coming to Western Jamaica like you've never seen it before. Brand new roads. Potable water. Low budget homes. You heard Comment Fly tomorrow talk about homes and the regular homes them here. These are low budget homes where one man can take NHE money and buy a $9 billion home. We're gonna build these homes on government lands. And if you qualify for NHE and the house for the 12 million, we're only gonna charge you $9 million because we give you the land free under the People's National Party next regime. Comrades, all NHE youths will be getting 500,000 free to pay down on your home. Because we have recognized that sometimes you can't find that 5% for your NHE. We're going to give that amount of money free to you so you can purchase a home from the housing trust so you can afford and own a home to raise your family and to uplift your life. Comrades, I built homes, and when you're building and doing construction, when you're doing construction, not only the homeowners benefit, PNP get work, JLP get work, women get work, the vendors get work on these sites. The vendors don't have to wait until people dead. If you go sell and make a money, you're going to get work on the site and make money right across Western St. Mary and St. Mary as a whole. Better days is coming, man. Better days is coming. Comrade, we are young, vibrant leaders, the two Omar and down. And we're not going to sit down and wait and JLP to mash up this. We're going to take charge and kick out and kick down all doors. All doors. Any status quo that is not designed for the youths in Jamaica, we're going to kick down those doors and walk through them and move St. Mary forward. No longer will we wait. No longer we're going to follow. You see, comrade guy know when to make his transition. In a wait to come out of parliament in a wheelchair. He hand it over to the general. Them have some politicians that send me feel like say we are going to watch and get old and this and hold it down. No longer we will stand and watch Montague. He can get one more year over the 40 to continue over there. We're going to mash him up over there.
Things are changing, man. Yeah, you know what's the real thing? Things are changing.
In closing, as I said, all the campaigns, they are going on well. We want to show and to bring this support and to bring them and to show that this support can be and transform into voting. We want this support to transform into voting. We want by 2-3 o'clock on election day. 2-3 o'clock on election day. The 3 seats in St. Mary are declared clear clear, and for Jamaica. Chris Brown, my brother, in Southeast Central, Omar, we will be walking on due street with you, sir. Comrades and friends, the word is always love. Few more days left, comrades. Don't be frightened for the money. Just a few more days, comrades. Hold on tight and watch out. Bring this home for the People's National Party. One love, comrades. One love.
Easy, reasonable doubt. Big up yourself. Comrades, I want to tell you, say, where I see comrades are rolling from all over the place. Big up, comrade Eugene, Kelvin, brother. Heart of love every time. So, comrades, when we are drive through the hills, we see some pretty sign put up, you know. And we say, boy, PNP really are going with themselves, you know. And when you reach further around, you see some people on the side of the road that say, boy, you know, say, a time come for Southeast, you know. And when you reach up further in Anata Bay, and you say to people, say, yo, I want to go another place, they must say, look, you know, man, time come, and time come for Chris Brown in Southeast St. Mary. So, comrades, if you're tired of the labor pain in a Southeast St. Mary, if you want to see back hospital and not come here, welcome your next member of parliament, Comrade Chris Brown.
Get ready to go. Christ has gone home to prepare up beyond the blue skies. It must be some wonder up there, never seen by mortal eyes. We know soon he's coming again. From his heavenly throne, we shall leave this earthly domain when he comes to claim his own. We better hurry up, we're getting ready to go. If you're gonna ride and slowly.
Comrade Party Leader and next Prime Minister of Jamaica, Comrade Mark Jason Golin, my mentor and my friend, the 5-star General of St. Mary, Comrade Dr. Maurice Guy Haleman, my fellow candidates, Norman Dunn, I am giving you a warning. Comrades, I can feel the PNP victory moving through the parish of St. Mary, from Dover in the east, to Highgate in the center, to Prospect in the west. It is going to be PNP, 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 PNP. Comrades, there has been a heightened state of scampering up and down by the little man in Southeast St. Mary. Since nomination day, road are fixed left, right, and center. Chicken a distribute left, right, and center. Things that have not been done in 9 years have been done in 3 weeks. But comrades, they recognize that all that they are doing, Southeastern St. Mary is done with done. So comrades, I was in Zion Hill 2 days ago, and I heard some people say, Chris, they are so desperate, I hear them talking. But I have a saying and a word to give to them. I said, oh, be a worker, oh. You cannot touch the Lord's anointed.
Christ has gone
So my message to you tonight, comrades, as we gather here tonight in Port Maria, is for you to stand firm. Reject the $10,000. Reject the $20,000 and stand firm. Reject the rum and boom and stand firm. Reject the fame farm work card and stand firm. Reject the last minute road work and stand firm. Comrades, I see the other day, them send a man who got the biggest political backsliding in southeastern St. Mary in history, Dan Creary. Him and him brother walk up and down, are going like a them run southeastern St. Mary. They worked together when Richard Creary was the candidate in 2011, and we defeated them with Dr. Winston Green. So let the word go out tonight that I'm unafraid of nobody. Unafraid of no boy, no girl, nowhere, no how. So bring them come, cause we go and whip them.
Now go a dance again. Me nah party no more. Nah fornicate again. Me nah drink rum with friends to get drunk.
Comrades, under Mark Jefferson Golin, we're ready. We are ready to give the people titles to them land. We're ready. We are ready to build houses across southeastern St. Mary and St. Mary because we're ready. We are ready to give the youths them jobs. We are ready to move forward under the People's National Party because we're ready. Comrades, many of them who were in the cabinet had to be removed from the cabinet and placed on the backbench because them either thief money or they did some corrupt act. When you call the name Marissa Dalrymple, backbench. When you call the name Andrew Wheatley, backbench. When you call the name J.C. Hutchinson, backbench. When you call the name James Robertson, backbench. When you call the name Everett Warmington, backbench. And when you call the name Bobby Montague, backbench.
Now go a dance again. Me nah party no more. Nah fornicate again. Me nah drink rum with friends to get drunk. Now go a dance again.
And the truth is, comrades. The truth is, comrades. If we're in a real democracy, Craveney, Andrew Holness would have been on the backbench too. So since him can't find himself on the backbench, we in St. Mary is going to send him a message on September the 3rd and put him on the Jamaica Labour Party squarely on the backbench.
3-9. True believer. G-U-D. Not a new believer.
So stand firm, comrades. We are marching on to victory. No will be a work I can't stop with. In Southeast it is going to be PNP. In Central it is going to be PNP. In West it is going to be PNP. So wave your flag for the People's National Party. Wave your flag for Mark Golin. Wave your flag for victory for the PNP. One love, one heart.
Boss for every boss, gun for every gun. Ever militant.
Easy. Comrades. Comrades, comrades, comrades. So comrades, I want to know something. I want to know something quick and fast.